Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add markers to your videos in CapCut PC. To do that, I'm just going to go to the area where I want to add the marker in, and I'm just going to select this to add marker. You can kind of right click and you can edit the marker. You can change the color of the marker. You can also change the title of the marker. For instance, I'm going to type in dressing press lawn, and I'm going to press done, and then here I'm going to add in another marker, and then I'm also going to edit the marker as well here, that I'm going to type in dressing room and then press done. You can also kind of like adjust it a little bit more by sliding it left to right to be a little bit more precise. You can even type it to be like even more precise, then press done. If you want to delete it, just just click on the marker and then press delete. If I can just click on it here, delete marker, or if you want to delete everything, select delete all markers in this clip. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!